Hi, Greg Nathan, founder of the Franchise Relationships Institute. Every year we conduct thousands of franchisee satisfaction surveys where we ask the franchisees to tell us what's the best part of being part of the network and how could your experience as a franchisee be improved. Consistently for the last 20 years, the most commonly mentioned theme is listen to us more, consult with us more on the issues that concern us and take us seriously. There are processes and techniques we can teach your support office team on how to give franchisees a better experience. It's called a Culture of Franchising workshop. It runs for two-hour sessions, highly interactive, and the feedback from these programs is always extremely positive. You'll find details of the next Culture of Franchising workshop below. Hope your team can attend.